Alright guys, we're out here on one of our local lakes this morning. We had a bunch of rain come through last week, and it hasn't rained for about 2 or 3 days now. And you can see how just chocolate milk like this water is. It's pretty dirty. But we're gonna see if we can catch some fish. The water temperature is around 46 degrees right now, so we'll see what we can do. Main thing is just trying to get better. So you gotta fish these hard conditions. So just stick with us and we'll see how it goes. Y'all didn't get to see that, but that's a good one. That's a good one too. Son of a gun, that's a good one. Quit. Go. That is a good one, son. I hate y'all didn't get to see that. God, I thought I had it recording, but I didn't. Look at that right there in the top of the mouth. That's it right there, baby. Look at that fish. That's a stud. Get off this stuff right here. Let's see what here. A little over 4 pounds right here. Awesome fish, but we're gonna let her go. There she went. I hate I didn't get the hook set, guys. Catch her right there in that area, and I felt her hit it, and then nothing happened there for a second, and I reeled up again, and I felt her hitting it some more. And so I set the hook on her. God, that was awesome. We'll go back in there and see if there's another one. There's another one. Man, they are stacked over there. God, that's another good one. Heck yeah. Stop. I gotta back out of here before I scare anything off. Son of a gun. Look at that. Look at that fish. Another good one. He's got a little sore on his side right there. Same spot, baby. Awesome. Put that one back in there. Okay guys, thanks for watching. That water was pretty muddy and it was fairly cold, about 50 degrees. So, you know, tough conditions for bass fishing, but we still got one good fish around 4 pounds and another one probably around 2 pounds. So I thought it was a great day. If you don't mind, like this video and subscribe to our channel. We'll see y'all next time.